Lieutenant Zuniga, you see this sign right here. The City of San Antonio, no weapons allowed in city buildings unless specifically permitted under Texas state license or other law. So I've heard officers tell people that that's the same as a 30-06 or 30-07 sign. Obviously, if that were the case, the sign inside here saying that that is a open, unsecure public area would not be there, advising them that they can't take their firearms into secure areas. So are you aware that that's not the same as a 30-06 sign?
No, that's a sign that says unless specifically permitted under Texas license or other Texas law.
So you are in agreement then that if you have a concealed handgun license, you can walk in this building with a firearm?
Well, not beyond the secure area.
Not beyond the secure area. That is correct. And that's why the sign on the inside is there. But the reason I'm asking you that is because I've heard officers multiple times tell people, and it's not correct. Now, it doesn't matter if it's correct or not, because once that officer tells them and implies that it's the law, they've been given a verbal warning, which is the same as a 30-06 or 30-07 sign. It doesn't matter if there isn't a sign if you tell someone you can't bring a firearm in here. So when an officer tells someone that, it's the same as posting a 30-06 or 30-07 sign, and if that's the intent of the government, then they need to put that sign there instead of allowing officer interpretation. Now, the reason I wanted to ask you that on film is again because I've encountered that. I don't carry anymore, but when I did carry on a regular basis, I would always let officers know at the time, hey, you're giving them shady information there. And 9 times out of 10, the response I would get is, oh, I didn't realize that. I guess you're right. Sometimes they'd go, yeah, but now I've given them a verbal warning, so it's the same. And I'm like, yeah, that's exactly why you shouldn't do it. But going back